NumPy is primary package for scientific computing in Python. NumPy's ecosystem is vast. It is used in data science, machine learning, and whatnot. We can use NumPy for numerical calculations, creating n-dimensional arrays, which performs much better than the usual Python lists. When you see NumPy GitHub, you'll see that more than 30% of the code is written in C and C++. That's why it performs much better than the usual Python data structure. Let's see how a NumPy array performs better than the Python list data structure. Here I have written a small code to add 5 to all the items in our dataset. For now, don't worry about the syntax of NumPy. Just see how fast it works. You see how fast NumPy is. That's the magic of vectorization. We can add 5 to whole block at once. In next 30 seconds, I show you how to install NumPy and get started with it. We'll be using VS Code. I'll be creating a virtual environment first to install our NumPy package. .vnv is our virtual environment where we'll be installing the NumPy package. First, let's activate this virtual environment. Now I'll install NumPy. Since NumPy was already installed in my system, it says it's installing from the cache. If you like Conda, then you can also install it using conda install NumPy. Here you go. Now you have the NumPy package installed. Now we can start learning NumPy. Do follow our channel for more videos on NumPy.